Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'm here in the outdoor testing studio with a Holyton HT25, which you're watching flying around in the background there, because in this video, I'm going to show you how it flies. I'm going to show you the stunts, the flips, all that stuff, and then I'm going to come back, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I thought of it, whether it stunk or whether it was amazing, and then finally, assuming you're still interested, you can watch me unbox it in the past and take a look at it for the first time, and I'll tell you about all of its detailed features and those kind of things. Let's go watch it fly. Okay, it's a hot one out there today and I had so much fun with this. I do have a little bit of a mixed bag, so I'm going to straight off, just so you know, give this a 3 out of 5 on the Doug score. It flew great, the little camera worked great, I had a ton of fun with it, but I will say it did not take long for me to have some sort of a weird little accident with it. As you can see, it's all still intact, nothing crazy, but whatever I did made it so the battery shorted the whole thing out. And I thought maybe it was the battery. I swapped it out for the second battery that comes with it, and nothing but smoke and smelling melted electronics. So I can't give it a 5 out of 5, although I will give it a 5 out of 5 for the actual device and the use, the size, the control. All that was so awesome. Yes, I was doing some things you probably shouldn't be doing with it, but I do have to fairly report to you guys that I did manage to damage it in the process, which is a little unusual. So yeah, so I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 5. I hope you're still interested in it. Let's go to the unboxing. Okay, we're back in the past. You've watched it fly. You saw my review. You're still curious about this because it seems like a super cool drone. Let's unbox it, talk about its features, and see if it's the right thing for you or not. So this is obviously a beginner level drone. It is a mini drone and it actually has a 1080p camera. That's full HD. That's pretty darn awesome. It has all of, it's extra awesome based on its size. I can't wait to show you the size. Oh, you saw the size of it already. Anyway, it is super cool size-wise. It has gesture control. It does 3D flips. It has voice control. Oh, and it's got 2 modular batteries with about 11 minutes each for flight time, which is really good for something at this level and this size, that kind of thing. That is awesome. That's at least 20 minutes of having fun with this before you have to recharge it. I think that's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make you wait to see the actual drone itself in person here. Let's see what comes in here. Cool little bag tucked in here. It is really tucked in there. In this very secure bag, there is a battery, 2 USB chargers, and I think those are blade guards. Are those blade guards? Yes, blade guards. Good to use, especially if you're gonna fly it indoors and this kind of thing. It's very interesting. Oh, the back battery. This isn't the battery. This is the FPV holder for the remote. There are extra blades, as I said. Instruction manual, please read the instruction manual. I know they sit and laugh in China in the factories because we messed with you because we switched to control. They're all just a little bit different. If you read it, it really does help have a good time and help it survive your first time out. So here are those modular batteries I was talking about. Nice small batteries, cool, especially if they actually lasted 11 minutes, but you already know. Here is the remote. This thing is teeny. Look how small that is, but it has all of the controls that you would want on it. Single push to take off, your stunts, and your camera modes, all on this teeny little remote. That is super cool. And check this out. This is ridiculous how teeny this is. Oh, I can't wait to fly this. This is so cool. So, okay, so here's a 1080p drone. How cool is that? It is hard to believe that that could be 1080. You can control the angle, manually of the camera. It's got the power on and off, the plug. This is so cool. I just want to go fly it. You already saw it fly. You already heard my opinion of it. I haven't formed that yet. I need to go do that now. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see you next time.